Hello everyone, my name is Aprianti Maulani. As a host from College of Economic Science Latifah Mubarakiyah. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Maritza Kuratu Ayun. I'm here as Maritza, host from College of Economic Science Latifah Mubarakiyah.
Hello everyone, my name is Fahmi Niguna as Fahmi from University of Indonesia.
Hello everyone, I'm Wibi Wibawa, SWB from University of Siliwangi.
Hello everyone, my name is Ade Henry as Ade from University of Pasundan.
Hello everyone, I am Marasaid Muammar Esmara from Indonesia University of Education. Anjay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to English Podcast.
The podcast for Sundanese management student navigating English in our academic journey. I am Afri, a first year management student at College of Economic Science Latifah Mubarakiyah.
And I'm Maritza, also a first year management student at College of Economic Science Latifah Mubarakiyah. Today we're discussing the challenges we face as a Sundanese student mastering business English. We have invited 4 fellow students from different universities to share their experiences and strategies.
Let's meet our guests.
Hello, I am Fahmi from Cianjur, a first year business administration student at University of Indonesia.
Hello, I'm Ade from Tasikmalaya studying management at University of Pasundan.
Hi everyone, I'm Wibi from Garut, a fisher marketing student at University of Siliwangi. I attended an Islamic boarding school where we focus on Arabic. So English is actually my fourth language.
Hi everyone, I am Mara from Sukabumi, a first year international business student at Indonesia University of Education. I studied at an international school for 2 years.
Okay, let's start with those first week of university. What initial English challenges did you face in your management studies?
The biggest shock was realizing how many textbooks are only available in English. In high school, we had Indonesian language textbook with maybe some English terms. Now entire chapter about management principle are in English.
For me, it was the sudden switching professor of the new English term within Indonesian language later or switch to full English for certain topic.
I struggle with pronunciation when I participate in class discussion. My classmates from international school sometimes seem confused by my accent.
My challenge with business terminology, even with my relatively strong English, specific term like stakeholder analysis or values proposition were completely new to me.
Okay, how did you word these initial challenges?
Format a study group where we would have each other translate and understand English materials to ensure concept everyone understood.
I create a glossary of English business term with difference in both Indonesian language and Sundanese. I should have flashcard to review the term daily.
I found YouTube a video explaining business concept in simple English. The visual component helped me understand. Even when I miss some word.
I joined an online forum where business students exchange simplified explanation of complex terms. This helped me build a practical vocabulary quickly.
Okay, that's really great. What specific pronunciation or terminology challenges have you encountered?
The sound in words like theory or method doesn't exist in our language. I kept saying the theory or the method in class.
English test partners are different in word like management or organization. Capturing the word is syllable, making classmates ask me repeat to myself.
Terms with no direct equivalent in our language are hardest concepts like opportunity cost or diminishing returns require understanding to entire chapter about chapter. I could won't mention of the terminology.
Financial terms like leverage, hedging, or arbitrage were difficult because they have technical meanings in business that are different from their everyday English meaning.
Okay, nice. What strategies have helped you overcome these challenges?
I use pronunciation apps that let me record and compare my pronunciation with the standard one. I also repeat difficult 10 times at least 10 times daily.
For business term I frequently use, I have read purpose of high stake word, the professional daily word, initial of my major that I need to professional currently.
I use the explanation test technique if I can explain a complex business concept in simple terms. Then I truly grasp it, not just of the terminology.
I create mind maps connecting related business terms. This help me see how concepts like marketing, mix, segmentation, and targeting relate to each other.
Okay. Many first year students struggle with active participation in English discussion. How do you handle this challenge?
Initially, I was completely silent during class discussion. When asked in English, I would avoid the eye contact even when I know the answer.
Group discussion were challenging because students from international school would dominate English conversation. I would hold back from expressing ideas, fearing my English wasn't good enough.
I kept waiting to be called on directly, which really happened. I missed many opportunities to participate because I missed many opportunities to participate because I wasn't assertive enough.
Even with my stronger English skill, I still struggle with the speed of discussion. By the time I formatted my thought for proper English, the conversation had moved on.
Okay, I mean, that's really happened to a lot of us, right? And how do you overcome these barriers now?
I have many role contribute. I at class and see in very class. Initially, I read comment proper head and read when I collect on grade, I have become more comfortable speaking spontaneously.
I started by asking questions rather than making statements. This was less intimidating and still allowed me to participate meaningfully.
I now prepare for each class by pre-reading the material and listing 2 to 3 potential discussion points with key English vocabulary I might need. This preparation gives me more confidence.
I found that sitting in the front row helps. Professors are more likely to call on you and at easier signal when you want to speak. I also use phrases like I'd like to add something to enter conversation.
Okay, let's talk about specific study technique. How do you approach learning business English effectively?
I use the Chang method instead of learning individual words. I memorize whole phrases that commonly appear together, like conduct market research or implement strategic plans.
I switch the language on familiar mobile game to English. In make learning vocabulary feel less like studying and more like when I manage business term this way.
I record lectures and listen to them at 0.275, pausing to look up times I don't understand. This help me catch things I miss during class.
I rewrite my notes in English immediately after class, which forces me to process the information twice. I highlight times I struggle with and create flashcards or cues specifically.
That's really creative techniques. And how do you have any collaborative study approaches you found effective?
My study group action member are different part of the reading to summarize in English for the effort. This way, we practice both comprehension and speaking.
We have developed a system where one person explains a business concept in English, another summarizes it, and a third person asks clarifying questions. This simulates real classroom discussion.
We created a shared Google Doc with difficult English terms encounter. Everyone contributes explanation and example sentences, creating a custom business English resource.
I participate in weekly English hour where we discuss business news article in English only. It's challenging but has improved my fluency dramatically.
Okay, nice. What resource have you found helpful? And what are your goals for improving your business English?
The Grammarly app help me get error in my literary experiment. My goal to present or university business case on competition in Alice by New Yorker.
The UI Language Center offers specialized English courses for business students. I'm aiming achieve to B2 level certification in business English by the end of the academic year.
The British Council has business English resources that are quite helpful. I plan to join the campus business English debate club next semester to improve my speaking skills.
I use the app English Live app for daily practice. My goal is to master the specific terminology in my international business specialization so I can confidently participate in global business in simulation.
Okay, before we wrap up, what one piece of advice will you give to other first year students struggling with business English?
Consistency matters more than intensity. 15 minutes of English practice daily is more effective than cramming for hours one a week.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. I have one professor appreciated effort and professor more than perfect grammar or pronunciation.
Fin study partners with similar goal. Having accountability partners has kept me motivated even when progress feels slow.
Concept, connect new business concept to real example you understand. Abstract term become much easier to remember when linked to something concrete and familiar.
Okay, thank you for your advices, and thank you to our guests for sharing their experiences and strategies today.
Okay, keep practicing and
And see you later.
Kami aja sih gimana? Soalnya kalau di Papi ngadu sinyalnya.
Enggak, tetep aja kemarin gak deket G.
Berdoa
Dalam
dimulai.
hati mulai.
Tegak.
Mungkin selalu ngangkat katanya. Kemarin hanya ke
Sok cobaan sekali itu tadi segmen ini.
Itu yang ulahnya naon?
Ulah Engke mah ulah ya.
Lagi ngomong
kacau.
I'm Afri, a first year management student at College of tadi jangan nih pajeri teh. At the College of
Discussing the challenges we face as a first year Sudanese student. Benar.
Mastery.
Sudanese student
Ade from Tasikmalaya studying Management of Institute Teknologi Bandung.
Institute.
Institute
at
Teknologi.
Institute of Technology Bandung.
At.
Balik deh.
Ay kamu jauh tuh eta di jalan di mana udah di mana? Ya sok. GC-nya.
Itu di mana orang?
Hi everyone, I am Mara from Sukabumi. First year, ya.
Profesor Dio naon sih?
Salah, ini refleks, ini.
Iya.
Salah. Hi everyone,